difficulty. This is gonna pass right over this valley in front of us. Sorry we're invading your life.
Absolutely not. Don't worry about it. I don't think so. Yeah.
I think it's gonna go right.
It's gonna go right west and north of us.
I think we're gonna have a crazy view of this.
Wow.
Look at the motion.
It's much bigger now. Look how much bigger the ground circulation is now.
Look at those rain curtains.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
Oh my God, look, it's almost fully condensed.
Wow.
Oh, I see debris. See the debris?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, India is such a good
It's gonna get wrapped in rain from our direction here in a moment.
Yeah.
Shit, that's a big tornado.
That is
It
a
is.
huge tornado.
It's got violent motion on it too.
Oh my God, holy cow.
I can blow your shot here.
You're good.
Wow. How do you feel right now?
That's the biggest tornado I've ever seen, I think. This close, especially.
That was Vince that went this way, then that way, so it must be the way. It's down that way.
We're good. Follow our last year. What about over here?
No, we're about to get hit by whatever this is. The RFD is about to whack.
Bro, look at this.
Oh my God. You can see the wow, it's wrapped in rain now, but holy cow.
Yeah, we gotta watch.
Hold on, I'll check radar real quick.
There could be another one coming this way.
Oh,
Look, we gotta watch out. What we gotta do, go back? Oh, down there? It'll be right down there, wouldn't it?
it would be like that way, that way.
it is. Come on. Second tornado on the ground to the south right now. Multiple more to see, maybe? Okay, it's coming at me, I'm moving. Back into the road, clear left, clear right. Street here real quick. That's coming right at me. I gotta leave. By this to the south.